Okay, we have a Summit GAP bed engine lathe with a 6-inch hollow spindle. Model 42-6X120, 42-inch swing, 63 in the gap by 120 in centers. Again, that 6-inch hole through the spindle. You have a taper turning attachment, new all digital readout, 31-inch 4-jaw chuck. You have 3 steady rests and a follow rest. And we're going to run it for you. Machine is a hard bed, up to 600 RPM. Forward and reverse. Okay. We're going faster now. Machine's bed width, by the way, is nice and wide, 22-inch, and you also have a third way below to help with the carriage when cutting. Forward and reverse again. Spindle is nice and quiet. Going a little quicker. Machine also has a full-length splash guard. Really cranking it up there. We're in a high range, obviously. That was a 600? Brake. Soft start. We're going to run some of the feeds. That's longitudinal. You can see it also on the digital readout. Let it go for a second while the digital readout. Okay. Great. Cross. And again on the digital readout. That's threading. All right. You have power rapid. Okay, so you have 4-way rapid traverse. You saw the threading, the feed. We also have a heavy-duty tailstock. That's your handle to move the entire tailstock on the rack. That's your spindle quill. You have a 2-speed. It's number 6 Morse taper, 11.8-inch travel. Those are your steady rests and follow rests, besides the one steady rest that's already on the bed. A couple of live centers, as well as the live center that's on the machine. 4-way tool post. Hey, oh, you know what? Show them the hole from behind. Nice. Again, this machine's original paint. And hey, oh, serial number 13065. Machine was new in 2010. Thank you for watching our video.